little artists! Are you ready for a magical drawing adventure today? We're going to draw and color a beautiful carousel. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw the roof of our carousel. It looks like an umbrella. Start with a small circle, then draw 2 lines for the top and add some scalloped edges to make it fancy. Next, let's draw the stand in the middle. Now, let's draw the base of the carousel. Draw a large rectangle shape at the bottom.
Wow!
Great! Now let's add 2 toy horses. Draw 1 horse on the left side and another on the right. Make sure they look like they're ready to spin around. For the final touch, let's decorate our carousel with some lines and circles on the stand and base. This will make it look even more exciting. Our drawing is complete.
Wow!
Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Look at our awesome carousel. It looks fantastic. Now it's time to bring our carousel to life with some vibrant colors. Here are our new color pens. So colorful, isn't it? Let's start with red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. color. Pink color. Cream color.
Wow!
Brown color. Purple color. Yellow. Red color. Light green color.
Cool!
Blue color. Orange color. Red color. Yellow color. Fantastic job, little artist! Your carousel looks so colorful and fun. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.